Welcome back to the channel, guys. We're starting off with an absolute banger. RPM Carbon sent out forged carbon bits for the ZX10R. I'm already in love and I haven't even put them on the bike yet. I mean, just look at the quality on these things. Pure, genuine carbon. Big thanks to Andreas at RPM Carbon for sending these out. Definitely go check them out if you want some carbon to spice up your bike. But now let's slap this forged carbon on the ZX10R. Man, the forged carbon is looking phenomenal. Once again, thank you, Andreas from RPM Carbon. Let's slap the rest of these pieces on the bike. All the forged carbon pieces are on the ZX10R. Man, looks so good. Thank you, RPM Carbon. Now, you guys actually let me know in the last video, I forgot the gasket for the fuel pump. Oh my gosh, that would have been terrible. All right, let's get that gasket and put it on the new tank. Thanks, guys. That would have been bad. Thanks, guys. We got some more boxes. Let me go get them. Those pieces you just saw are key components. Brand new OEM rear seat, so much padding on this thing. We've got the left side lever, new handlebar with the bar end. Now, interesting enough, with this piece, so this piece is actually from Kawasaki in Japan because I wasn't able to get it here in the States. Kind of shows you how rare some of these pieces are to find. Now, as I'm putting together the front, I do need to take care of this wiring harness issue, and I can't find an exact connector. So here's my solution. I've got 3 wiring harnesses back there. I'm gonna try to see if I can find a similar connector and splice them into the Kawasaki harness. This is gonna be fun. Let's get to work. Couldn't find any connectors on those harnesses. I do have an idea. I think I'm gonna order something. Now, before I go any farther, if you guys remember that box from last video that had all the wiring in it, well, let me show you what it is. It is an OEM Kawasaki heated grips accessory set with the modules and everything. I noticed my bike did not come with heated grips, so I purchased the accessory set from Kawasaki Direct. Let's try it and put it on the bike. This was a bit confusing. Here's the left side grip. Unfortunately, I can't install it all the way because I need a Kawasaki sticky adhesive to put inside this thing. That was news to me. Ran the harness along the rest of the main harness. The left side handlebar harness connects to this shorter harness. The shorter harness connects to a control module for the heated grips. And lastly, the shorter harness connects to the right side heated grip, which is right there. Now you're probably wondering, how does this tie in with the bike? Well, here's the interesting part. This connector right here, which was in this boot, had a cap over it, and that plugs in directly to the shorter harness, which connects to the side harnesses on each of the grips. Now here's my thoughts on how Kawasaki does this. The red and brown coming from this small connector on the main harness powers this control module, which ends up controlling the heated grips. Unfortunately, it's a lot of extra wiring. Right here are the steps to find this plug. Also, the instructions are for when the bike is completely assembled. So let's start assembling the front. Man, that's exciting. The front is coming together. I paused on the heated grips because I need that special adhesive for the heated grips to glue them on to the handlebar. Routing the wiring is going better than I expected. It'll be interesting to see where all this heated grip wiring goes in the rest of the fairings. It's already pretty late here, guys, but tomorrow I got something awesome to show you. We'll see you then. Man, that system looks so good. Anyone know how to remove this thing? Asking for a friend. Could not be happier with the way this system looks and can't wait for it to scream. Shoot some flames, please. Plus, I've been saving this box for a few weeks now. BT Moto sent out a sick tune for this bike. That's gonna be the cherry on top for sure. I've got the final boxes on the way already for the key components I'm missing in the front. And I just received a massive box. I'll let you guys try to figure out what it is. That's gonna be it for tonight, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. See ya! Here's some more clips from Florida.